that? I mean, this is not going to be a Q&A kind of a thing. This will more be of probably a discussion-oriented stuff, right?
Right.
So, what has happened in the last few years is that financial institutions have begun to realize that they need to invest a lot into their digital infrastructure, right? And you
Right.
have seen the latest report from RBI, which is talking about not just banks but all the financial institutions, including home financing organization and NBFCs and everyone. So digital transformation is now becoming very, very important. At Cent Bank Home Finance, being a CTO, can you share some of the key initiatives that you have implemented recently?
Yes,
And
yes.
how are they connected with delivering a better, superior customer experience for your customers?
Yeah, yeah. I'll definitely come there. All the points what you asking there. State Bank Home Finance is the I already told that we are the 31st, 33 old company, and we have this. Now we have the more focus on the digital platform and all these things. So we have 2022. We have totally revamped our platform. Okay, we have the come into the cloud and where we can easily escalate of our platforms where we can implement more of the technology easily way. So we are the right now we have the completely onboarding on through the digital. Okay, they where customer get the easy loans and all, and the so most important things where we can also the our operational can also the very efficiency in manner of the work with the lot of times they consuming a lot of the time in the processing the file they have to the doing in the hours they take the whole day and all these things. So we have the technology have the very improvement and the banks NBFC and HFCs also more focusing on the digital communication and all these things, and customer has the very and customer also don't want to come the office and all these things. They want to digitally all these things from there the from home, and they want to connect from home. They get the loan and all these things. So we all the focus we have the same bank home finance recently has the developed these all the things on the platforms where the customer can onboard through the web, mobile, and through the different channels we have there. So they
Right.
come.
Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. And when we are looking at these things, so uh, one is you said created a platform. What other initiatives are there? What about cloud? You said something about the cloud. What initiatives are there?
See, cloud is the something we have to develop the something scalability and the security and all these things. You know the digitals we have come through the they're the maximum chance of the data leakage, fraud type things and all these things when the digitally comes. So we have to make the secure all these things compliance with the RBI norms and all these things, and we given the leverage like some customer benefit like e-net. We given the missed call type facility, we can board facility, and we are the working on the board also. Board means see how the board is that not simply board. Board means ki suppose if I come to the board, I ask some questions, they given a few answer. If I require something more like the we want to know loan and all these things, they link my the system also. We working on that platform also. So where can the person who can the through the board can be disperse the loans? My target is that. So we are the working on that, and we have the successfully the test the one round of the primarily architectures, and we hopefully we probably next 2 years we have the launch the board for the loan from the board. There's something new in the market.
Okay, okay, good. Uh, okay, so another very interesting thing which is happening, especially in the home finance companies, and I was talking to another customer who's into a similar kind of home financing, is that customers are asking for multiple ways for them to connect to the company and vice versa. Now, as of now, what are the channels which you have developed and how are you delivering customer experience through them?
We have the delivery right now. I told that we have done through the web services. So my customer come to web, and through that they can access the loan through the mobile, and through the we are the working on the board also. There are board as the come into the play in the pictures where can the not the simply board they're the asking the few question and give the answers. Board means we complete the transformation of the loan to disperse through the board channel.
Okay. Okay.
So we,
Okay.
yeah. So we are right now we are working through the wave and mobile, and the pipeline is the board disbursement.
Okay. And have you found any preferences in the customer? What are the customer preferences, and have they changed over the time you have been working with Cent Bank over last 15 years, you mentioned? So, what changes have you observed over the time in the customer
Yes.
preferences for communication, in the customers' requirements and their asks? Have you found
Customer
some
has
changes?
yeah, right. The customer has the so many changes in the say they want curriculums of suppose they want to the loans are the get the faster. They don't want to the run the bank for the loan and paper and all these things. They want all the things the digitally, and the more preference that today the fast is so life they have don't time to get the stuck with the this paper is not there. I can how can I disperse my loan and all these things. So the process we what the Cent Bank is the made for all the one way is the we have to create two types of things. One the self onboarding and the
Okay,
customer assistant onboarding with the branches. The two types is
right,
the created. Self onboarding which we have the limited loans. We have the putting there the amount and they can get the easily the loans. And the loan assistant in the branches, they can actually what they want, and our branch people get the connected with them and they get the all the necessary document and the process one time. They're not changing for the this document and all document. They customers they asking for the high requirement of the home loan, mortgage loan, whatever the paper they want, they have to narrate and all. And more important things, we have the digitally change the our the KYC mode also.
okay, very
Digital
good.
KYC, e-KYC, video KYC, which all the technology we implemented there. And we also the working, I told that we are the deposit taking housing finance. So we also there the customer who are the coming for the deposit, they don't want to
Right,
different locations from there. So the
right,
we
right,
done
right.
the video KYC through the mobile video KYC, e-KYC. Earlier, what happened? They have to send the courier and all these things, the sign and seal and verify, and they given to branches and come to the head office. That took the time. So this technology has the disastrously control the timings and delivery all the things to the
Okay,
customer.
good. Very good, very good, very good. There is one thing which you must have realized that customers are looking for more personalization, right? And there are certain personalization technologies which consumer companies are using because I feel customers, companies like you are basically dealing with the customers, end customers. They're not purely B2C areas. So, how are you bringing the personalization piece into picture? And have you adopted some of these technologies which are specific to personalization? And have you seen any impact in customer loyalty and retention? And is Citibank doing some kind of a
Yes,
loyalty
yes,
management
definitely.
or a
See,
retention management?
yes. See, the market is the very tightened and very aggressive. All these things, the customer has the well aware about the rights and all these things. As per the company royalty, we understand the customer has the joining from the since 10 year, yeah, 1 year, 2 years. This is the royalty of the customers who is joining with us, and we want the given the support we can. See, what are the services I provided to right now? They can easily access the is the whatever the loan statement, what the income tax certificate. These are the easily access from the mobile, and even the single missed call they give the these all the facility have the given to the mobile and in through the email. Just is the missed
Right.
call away from these services. So we started the missed call services for him. We started some loan plans like post pension programs for the people who have the pension, give the pension and all these things. We given a personalized this type of the plans. We given the facility of the loan repayment. Some people have not come to the bank to repay the loan amount, and sometimes there's some problem of the not triggering the something, some delay on the bouncing and something. They can come into our website and they can do the transaction from there only. So these are the things we have given the customers, and the customer retentions we given the better services. We are because of home loan, and we are the service in the service industry. So service is always priority for the customer.
Right, very true, very true. Service industry customers are very challenging also. So that is
Yes,
also a
yes,
very, very,
yes, yes.
very important thing. Now we all know that AI is there and a lot of buzz is happening around AI. What are your plans as a CTO? What do you think? What are your plans on adopting AI? And are there any plans, or are you already using AI tools for
See,
customer interaction?
we are planning for that, and we have some tasted from the AI tools and Gen AI. The combination of the we are talking with a few companies with them. So we what are the actually we are what we want to more analytics on the that what segment we can target through the AI, because we have to maximum the customer. We have the affordable type of the customers where we see there how much we benefited from the Gen AI. And definitely AI we are using like the Power Tableau and all these things, so the data and data science and all for the study and all these things. But we have to talking about the Gen AI. We see there which area can be the more implement and all these things. So the and the case and discussion is going on right now.
Okay, okay, okay. So there are things which are likely to come up as soon, right?
Yeah, right,
Very
right.
good, very good, very good. Uh, I mean, my last question to you, Pankaj, is, I mean, you have been into not just in Cent Finance, but you have been in the technology world for a very long time, a lot of experience. What do you think are the top three technologies which which according to you, in coming years, will drive customer experience?
See, one of them, my thinking is the first, you talking about the AI, GNI, there is a number, is definitely come into the picture in a few years, and there's also in the picture there, definitely. Second, most important, I look there the in the technology perspective, there the robust systems platforms where the with the security which is required there, the data privacy is the more important for that. So company is definitely working on that, and the RBI also is the focusing on these challenges, focus on these things, because KYC norms and all these things are very important to the most the data's privacy for the customers and do not. So we these two technology I see working more leverage and more the going forward in the future their case KYC get to get or more secure way, and the data preservation is the more secure way, and the AI and Gen AI is definitely going to grow more in
Right,
program.
right, right. Okay, okay, okay. Thanks, Pankaj. I think that brings us to the end of this interview. Sorry for that initial challenge which we had with the technology.
No
Right.
worry, no worry.
But
Thank you.
it was great speaking to you and great understanding what Cent Bank Finance is planning to do in the next few years, especially around Gen AI and especially around some of the technology projects that you are driving. And we hope that they will start showing the results to you very soon. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your
Thank you.
time,
Thank you.
Pankaj.
Thank you. Thank
You
you.
have a
Thank you.
lovely day. Okay,
Thank you. Thank
bye.
you. Same to you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye, bye.
Okay.